How to sync projects across devices in Picsart. Want your projects available everywhere? Here's how to sync them across devices in Picsart. First, make sure you are signed into your Picsart account on each device. When saving, choose the Cloud Save option to upload your project online. On other devices, open Picsart and sign in with the same account. Go to your Cloud Projects folder to access and continue editing seamlessly. This keeps your work updated and ready no matter where you are. Do you work on projects from multiple places? Tell us your setup in the comments below. Enable auto sync in settings to save changes automatically as you work. And that's how you can sync projects across devices in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.